We finally reached here after actually driving for almost 2 days. So we reached Srinagar and we've checked into a stunning property as you can see. And right now we're going for a shikara ride on the Dal Lake. So let's go! Dal Lake is the jewel in the crown of Kashmir. We walked till the lake and passed through the street that had loads of Kashmiri food. We reached gate number 6 of the lake and the first view of the Dal Lake will blow your mind. The view of the vast lake in front of Pir Panjal mountain range with bright yellow shikaras and cool breeze on your face. What else do you need? So with that, the top thing to do on the Dal Lake is a shikara ride. One tip, negotiate for the best price.
Feel जो fragrance आ रही है.
And second, dress up like Kashmiris and get clicked. We got ours on Nagin Lake next day.
क्या बोलना चाहोगे इन चीजों के बारे में?
पहले इसका प्राइस बताओ. Beautiful. I love the Dal Lake and he's selling us paper mache items. Many sellers will approach you in their shikaras to sell everything from paper mache, silver jewelry to chart. So third, you shop.
नहीं मतलब इसका use क्या है?
For presentation thing, for gift item.
Gift item.
More than 40,000 people live on Dal Lake, including shikara owners, houseboat owners, vegetable growers, businessmen dealing with handicrafts and fisher folk. How can you not wave at these sweet residents of the lake? Don't miss the old man who's fishing right next to the houseboat. Dal Lake is a misnomer because Dal means lake in Kashmiri. Max depth of the lake is 6 meters and the shoreline of the lake is about 15.5 kilometers. Lake covers an area of 18 square kilometers and is part of a natural wetland which covers 21.1 square kilometers including its floating gardens. You might not realize, but these floating gardens are special as they are made by collecting 2 types of weeds that are obtained from the lake itself. And in August, you would find lotus blooming in the gardens. Every morning 6 AM, there's floating wholesale market of fruits, veggies and flowers. And that's the 6th thing. Visit floating market on Dal Lake. 7th is a no-brainer. Stay in the houseboat. We really had the best kahwa in the whole Kashmir on Dal Lake. It's a must try and would be even better with the sunset view. Everything on the lake would be perfect mirror reflection. You would find breathtaking views of the landscapes. Last but not the least, floating post office claims to be the only one of its kind in the world. Maybe just mail a letter from Nehru Park floating post office. Towards the end of the ride, you'll reach market. You can stop to see the shops as well. It's so calm and perfect, you would come back with your heart full. long ride on Dal Lake on the Shikara boat, and look who we have with us. So, भैया आपका नाम क्या है?
रमजान।
आप कब से बोट चला रहे हो यहाँ पे? 30 साल से। तो फिर आप लोगों को क्या बोलना चाहोगे?
कश्मीर आ जाओ टूरिस्ट, सबको हमारी रिक्वेस्ट ये है, सब कश्मीर आए और कश्मीर यहाँ के लोग बहुत अच्छे हैं। अब जब उनसे मिलोगे तो अच्छा ही लगेगा इंशाल्लाह।
और यहाँ के लोग वाकई में बहुत अच्छे हैं और ये डल लेक बहुत सुंदर है। पूरी दुनिया में ऐसी लेक नहीं है। सो वी रियली टेल एवरीबॉडी कि आप प्लीज़ आइए और रमदान भैया की बोट में घूम के आइए और ये आपको शॉपिंग भी कराएंगे। सो थैंक यू भैया।
चाय और कहवा भी पिलाएंगे
और वर्ल्ड का बेस्ट कहवा पिलाएंगे।
Thanks for watching. Please do like, subscribe and click on the bell icon. See you next week.
So we just reached some time ago and we've checked into a stunning property. So the dog